Okay, this video is going to allow you to check to see if you could, just by using your notes, be able to write a program that asks a person for their first name and then uses their name in a response to the user by the program. And so the idea here is that can you write a program, or for you to see how that programs can be written so that they have interaction with the user as you would have an interaction or a conversation with someone else. And so the first thing is you've got to have your import statement. So make sure you've imported the scanner class. And then of course you have your class header and main method header, but then you've got to declare the scanner object. So scanner scan is assigned new scanner system.in. And then the next thing is then getting input from the user. Now if you're sitting next to somebody, you want to know what their name is, you ask them. And so that's what you have your the compiler do, your program do that. So it prints what is your first name, so the user realizes, oh, they want me to enter my first name. So they type their first name and hit enter. The next line of code, we are going to read and store the user input, and so it reads because of the word scan. So the scan object will then read the first name, recognize it, and then it'll store it in first name, the memory location called first name. Now just a quick note of interest, before what we've done is we've demonstrated this by declaring the variable above before the question, and then in here then that we would not need the data type, because we don't need to declare or define a variable twice. If we do, the compiler will get mad at us. And so you can do it like this: declare the variable in one line and then assign it the user's input in the line after the prompt. Alright, so you can do that either way. And let's take this out, and then we go on to then the output, or the use of the user's name. So here you go, hi, and then in the string, and then you have the variable call first name. So then this is going to call whatever the user typed. So if they typed Bill, then it's going to say hi Bill, because you have this in a variable. So we don't know what the user is going to say, so this will accommodate any first name that's entered by the user, and then the rest of course is within a string. Alright, so this is the basics. If you can do this, then you're going to be able to handle writing code to obtain user input for the rest of the semester. And that's it.